Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make veg steak. First, select your main vegetable, such as a large portobello mushroom or a thick slice of cauliflower. Next, prepare your marinade by combining 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and a teaspoon each of smoked paprika and garlic powder. This flavorful blend will infuse your veg steak with incredible depth. Ensure all ingredients are ready for the next step. Now, let's prepare your chosen vegetable. If using cauliflower, cut a thick 1-inch slice from the center. For portobello mushrooms, gently scrape out the gills. Lightly score the surface of your vegetable slices with a knife. This helps the marinade penetrate deeply. Submerge your veg steaks in the prepared marinade, ensuring they are fully coated. Let them marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes or, for a richer flavor, up to 2 hours in the refrigerator. It's time to cook your delicious veg steaks. You have a few excellent options. For a crispy exterior, pan-sear them in a hot skillet with a little oil for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown crust. Alternatively, you can grill them over medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes, flipping halfway through. If you prefer baking, roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until tender and slightly caramelized. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade veg steak. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or cilantro, adds a lovely finish and brightens the flavors. These steaks pair wonderfully with a side of creamy mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a crisp, vibrant green salad. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Enjoy your flavorful and satisfying plant-based meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.